I want to share what I have learned from world-class MCs. They are my idols. Stay tuned if you want to know. I'm Nirmala Trisna and you are watching Emcee Bali channel. Jimmy Kimmel, Jimmy Fallon, Chris Rock, Hassan Minhaj, Ellen DeGeneres. So many faces that I often watch and admire, and I learn a lot from them. I try to explore their professional work. I try to dig in their background. Just want to know how to be like them. I noticed that they have good writer team. Definitely strong, solid, good writer team. But I also believe that back then they started solo. So we all know we don't have writer team. So let's just start with what the best we have. We have ourselves. Pretend that we are part of a writer team that work for us. Of course, we want to make the best out of it. Think about materials that are relatable and suitable for the event and for us. Think about other contents that might be useful or connected. How we can make our MC speech memorable. How we can have strong keywords inserted in our script. Those MCs also have great presence on stage. They have great confidence. They also really good at maintaining energy of the audience. Yes, any person who works on stage as a performer need to be confident. In other words, they need to have good showmanship. And key element of good showmanship is confidence. And then that leaves us to a question. I'm not confident. How to build confidence? I will not answer like an expert because definitely I'm not an expert on building confidence. What I've read is we gotta learn to love ourselves, we gotta learn to see the best in us, and also we got to stop comparing ourselves with others because everyone is different. We just need to shape the best of us. So that's my experience because I was not a full confident person. I also have insecurities. So I try to see what is the good thing that I have, and I try to explore in that and be better at that. Once the confidence is there and then we have good speaking materials, then definitely on stage we can have the energy and the skill to listen to our audience, to see them as the real audience, not just a bunch of naked people that we were told back then as a theory of how to be confident speaking on stage. And our audience is not just a lineup of statues, because our audience are people. They are people who have characters, who come up from different social demographic that we need to understand. They are people who will listen to us, who will engage with us if we understand them, if we can set our message in accordance to their liking. We can engage them to follow the event flow or our scenario. So again, the key to be engaged with our audience is to examine them, understand their character, understand their background, their social demographic. Individually, our audience, of course, they are different from one another. We have to understand and see how we can connect them all, how our message content can suit them. We can create or adapt an ice-breaking technique in accordance to this type of audience. We can have them engage in our message so they can understand what we are trying to deliver to them. So there you have it, my lesson learned from world-class MCs by exploring them online through watching their performance and also reading their background. I hope that's useful. Build fruitful content, build confidence, examine the audience so we can create message that is connected with them. We can create the right tone of message. Just so you know, I am also still learning. I constantly try to see how I can sharpen my MC skill. Let's grow together. Let's develop ourselves to be a better MC. I'm sending my best wishes. Good luck to you in your endeavor. Thanks for watching. I'm Nirmala Trisna. And of course, if you like this, please give the thumbs up for me and share this video to anyone who you think might need this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you have, thank you very much. Until the next video, stay safe, happy, and healthy.